It is a great pleasure for me to open the European Research and Innovation Week 2024.
A celebration of Europe's excellence in research. What amazing 40 years! We have really come a long way.
The R&I Days serve as a clear reminder of why investing in research and innovation matters.
Will make Europe lead the transition and be a front runner in the global scene.
So mobilizing more resources, public and private, is crucial.
Back over the past 40 years, our framework programs have become beacons of excellence.